Meaning of hospitalize.
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 Hospitalize. The term hospitalize means to admit someone to a hospital for medical care. When someone is hospitalized, they are typically suffering from an illness or injury that requires more advanced treatment or monitoring than they can receive at home or in an outpatient setting. Depending on the severity of their condition, a hospitalized patient may receive a variety of interventions, such as medication, surgery, physical therapy, and more. Hospitalization can have a significant impact on a patient's health outcomes and quality of life, and it is often an important step in the healing process.